One of the gates of Intramuros or to Intramuros served as the private exit of the governors and the archbishops of Manila. Present postern constructed following the design of Thomas Hans in 1782 to 1783, destroyed during the Second World War, then restored in 1968, forms part of the fortifications of Intramuros, which were declared as a National Historical Monument in 1951, then as a National Cultural Treasure in 2014. So dito po ito sa likuran. Dumaan po tayo sa Santa Lucia. At ito po yung likuran ng Palacio del Gobernador. Yan, nakikita po ninyo yan. Dalawang belfry ng San Ignacio Church. Arsobispo po ito, street. At yung street na yan, papuntang Cathedral is de Postigo. Postigo. Ito po, Arsobispo Street. Kasi dyan lang po sa unahan, makikita po natin ang tinatawag na the Archbishop's Place. Ito po yung parking area, parking lot sa may gilid ng katedral. Ayan po ang katedral. Ayan po ang Governor's Place. Oo, Palacio del Gobernador. Bakit po may cross yung bahay na yan, bahay na bato, dahil yan po ang Arsobispado ng Maynila. Ayan. Diretso lang po dito. Diretso lang po. Yung Beaterio Street. Ayan, Beaterio Street. Pero hindi ito ang Beaterio na hinahanap ko. Pero pwede. Kung saan, yung kauna-unahang si RBM, Mother Ignacia. Ayan yata eh. Arsobispado pa yan. Oo. Arsobispo Street ito eh. Eh, nasaan yun? Kahapon nahanap ko yun eh. Painter po talaga. Mitre ang pangalan. Si Pedro Calungsod. Pedro Calungsod. At dito po ay si Saint Lorenzo Ruiz. Okay. Wow, nice. Nice. Okay. Ayan ang mga breads. May plain at saka wheat bread. Masasarap na bread. Subukan natin. Ayan ang cream puff. Ang aking binili. Meron silang Silvanas. At ito ang aking binili. Yan. Ayan lang ang San Agustin. San Agustin Church, yun lang siya. Yung lagi natin napapansin, dun sa kabila, yung Casa Manila. Pero actually, ito, maganda din siya. Ang tawag sa kanya is Mitre. Okay. Ayan lang. kasi puti, yung kanyang ano ay hindi na masyado nakikita. Ristorante del Mitre, a place for dining and relaxation after a day's toil. Yan po nakalagay dyan. Kung naalala niyo po yung ECJ building, andyan lang pala, oh. Napakalapit. Naman po, oh, napaka yung carving niyan. Siyempre, basta may skull, si Saint Rita yan. Okay, tapos ito, si Saint Nicholas of Tolentino kasi meron siyang dove. Ayun, ang puso na yan is part of the symbol of the Augustinians. And of course, that is a symbol of Saint Augustine because he was Bishop of Hippo. Look at that. Puerta del Parian, 1782. Ayan siya, oh. Hi, there's a project of the ASEAN, which they call it as the ASEAN Declaration, Bangkok Declaration, which was made 8 August 1967 for mutual growth and support. Yan eh. Yes po, ayan o. Paki-screenshot nyo na lang po at basahin nyo na lang yan. Patingin, is it clear enough? Ayan po. Okay. Ang ganda. Okay, ito po yung hindi natin napuntahan the other day. Yes po, may number 5, 6, 7 pa dito. And of course, meron silang third, that to carry out these aims and purposes, the following machinery shall be established. Talagang machinery. Ayan po yung mga signatories, mga Minister of Foreign Affairs. Ayan sila. Okay. At ito po yung kanilang parang bridge. Let's try to bridge the gap. So, ASEAN Declaration po ang tawag. So, I suppose itong mga to are the signatories na nakita po natin doon. Ay, ito pala sila. Okay, bakit wala nang name nitong isa? Nawala. Ang nakalagay po dito ay nawala. Oh. Saan na kaya? Hindi ko po alam. Ito naman, so I would urge the people outside the region not to misunderstand this coming together of our 5 and other Southeast Asian countries. We want to ensure that ASEAN stands for the interests of the ASEAN and thereby, by implication, for peace and prosperity of the world. Kaya wag dapat matakot kasi ang coming together nila is for peace and prosperity. Innumerable obstacles talaga po. Statement of H.E. Narciso Ramos. Ayan po, si Narciso Ramos po ba yan? At eto, siguro ang leader ng Indonesia ba yan? Tingnan natin. So, joint declaration po ito. Nakikita nyo naman po sa kanyang headdress. Yan. Si Adam Malik. Bangkok, Thailand pala, Thai. Yan po ang Thai Foreign Minister. The joint declaration we just signed is only the beginning. So hard work, patience, and perseverance are necessary if we are to realize the aims and purposes of the association in order that our people will indeed benefit from its achievement. Tama po. Diyan, that is Adam Malik of Thailand. Very meaningful pala itong ano na to. itong park na to. Yun lang, ito po ay walang pangalan, natanggal. So I don't know, hanapin na lang natin siya kung sino man siya. Yes, and ito, tingnan nyo po, all around. Oh, ang sarap ng hangin. Ano to, guava, kaso wala pang bunga. Wala pang bunga. At meron pang ano doon, bust monument. So medyo puntahan natin siya, no? Okay. Ayan po pala is President Ho Chi Minh. 1890 to 1969. ASEAN din po yata. Kasi otherwise, wala pong reason kung bakit nandito sila. At meron pa doon sa kabila. Ba't nahiwalay siya? Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Sino naman po ito? Bakit in gold? Yes, at ang opening yata doon, oh. May fountain din siya dito. Kaso wala pong tubig. Who is that? Okay. Punta natin. Ayan, di po ba? Thai iyan. 1920 to 1992. Si President Quezon Pong Vihen. Oo, naka-gold siya. Alright. Okay, so the Hospital de San Juan de Dios once stood on this site 1578 to 1945 when it was destroyed by the war. So nakikita nyo po iyan, yung through the years, what happened to the hospital, which once stood here. And then it became a school under Jose P. Laurel, who was the founder. So, kilalang jurista, estadista, legislador, pilosopong moral at politikal, edukador, makabayan at kampyon ng mga karapatang pantao at katarungang panlipunan.